I wonder what it could be this time.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Thanks for tuning in again. I know you guys didn't really hear the startup for stage 1, so Bay's gonna go ahead and get a shot of the rear, and I'm gonna start the car for you guys. This is already warmed up, but you're gonna hear the rumble.
We're ready. The struggle.
Alright, you guys, so I know a lot of people were telling me I was missing something for the rear, and yes, you're right, and it was something I was always going to do eventually down the line. But yeah, you guys might have guessed it already. We've got a diffuser, carbon fiber diffuser for the rear of the M3, and yeah, it's just gonna go super good with the more aggressive trunk spoiler I have, and you know, the new taillights that I have on the car as well. Something that's always been missing in the rear. I really hate how factory has this like cow udder underneath. Looks like a little belly underneath the car. Definitely gonna be hyped once we can go ahead and hide that. I was hoping to have like some aftermarket exhaust tips on it, but right now we're gonna go ahead and just enjoy it with the factory exhaust tips. If you guys don't know, these are actually like covers themselves here, so that's one little less thing I have to do today because it's kind of hard to get it off unless you have a certain tool. But right now, yeah, we're gonna leave the chrome tip, and it should look fine because these tips actually in person, I mean just up close to them, they're actually a pretty decent size, so I don't think it's gonna look weird. But we do got to remove this part here, I believe, and then it's pretty much just easy bolt up. So hopefully it doesn't take me too long right now. It's gonna look really, really good. So I hope you guys are excited as I am. Cannot wait to get this thing on. Don't have any help from the guys, but I got Bay. Let's go. That's all I need. I got my Bay. Hopefully we can get this done. Let's get to it. All right, you guys, so this is a 4-piece diffuser, okay? Every single piece is carbon fiber. So we're gonna go ahead and pull it out, and then we're gonna go ahead and open every single thing. They wrapped it up really, really good. Shout out to Horizon Motorsports.
Oh yeah, it feels really light.
Another one. Got the last piece. I have not checked or opened these, so I mean I only opened a little bit of one. So hopefully all the other parts are in decent shape. I really, really hope so. Because you guys remember last time, my first pair of side skirts, they ended up coming cracked. So hopefully everything's good. Horizon Motorsports sent me some 3M tape and a bag of screws, so that's awesome. Sometimes stuff doesn't come with all that. Let's start with the little stuff first. So these are gonna be the end pieces. These are gonna be behind the rear tires of it.
Did you say what kind this is already, or not yet?
Oh no, not yet. So this is actually...
Wait, they should guess before.
Oh yeah, try to guess which diffuser I ended up getting, because there are so many different ones. And comment down below. Pause the video, comment down below, let me know what diffuser you guys think I got.
Wait 3 seconds because they're probably sneaky. Okay, right, go.
It is full carbon fiber though. Cannot go wrong with that. So we've got one piece so far. Everything looks super, super good. Put that blade down, I don't want to scratch the clear coat. This is the other one here, which I had opened previously just to make sure it looked pretty good. Yeah, there's two. One more piece before the big one. Have you guys guessed correctly? Can you guys guess which one I got just off of those 2 pieces? Let me know. You guys got a few more seconds before you guys can find out the exact one I got.
Have you seen anybody with this one on?
I have seen a few, but most people rep different ones because this one is a little bit more on the pricey side. Obviously with this car being expensive as it is, I didn't want to cheap out on any cosmetic pieces. So this is all looking super, super good.
Can they guess off of this piece or not yet?
They might be able to. Normally this one will have fins. So have you guys guessed correctly? All right, here we go, you guys. This is the largest piece. And this one's gonna go ahead and kind of give it away. Say the name in just a second. Here we go. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be the most beautiful piece of them all.
Dun dun dun.
But here goes the final piece. I'm really hoping this one is all good.
You gotta show them a little bit more in the light.
Yeah, hell yeah, look at that. Jesus. This is gonna go underneath the car, and this is gonna kind of hide the exhaust here, and this will cover that nasty thick ass muffler that we got underneath the car. Hell yes.
I'm surprised
finally.
that whole bottom is carbon fiber too, even though you can't see it.
So everything should be pretty easy to bolt up. They already got pre-drilled holes everywhere on the edges. I know a few friends ended up getting some tap-in screws and kind of going through here, but we'll see how it fits. I haven't, you know, this is my first time installing this piece, so we'll see how it goes. Hopefully just using the simple pre-drilled slots, it'll be pretty solid, but we'll see. But dang.
So that's the before.
Alright you guys, so I got it jacked up a little bit. I got a jack stand on the other side, but this should be pretty quick. So there's a few little, what are they? I think they're like 8mm bolts that are gonna go all along the piece that needs to come out. And you're gonna just reuse those to actually mock up and secure the actual diffuser itself. Pretty simple. Alright you guys, so got all the little screws off. So should be able to take this gold piece out right here. All right, so it's pretty simple actually getting this thing on. Legit just slides right out. Pretty simple. There's just a few clips you can see, and then there's like some rubber stoppers here, so don't worry about breaking it. All right, so here we go. Should mock up pretty good.
Fits like a glove. That looks better already, even just that.
Yeah, huh? All right, so I'm just gonna reuse the same ones. All the holes line up perfectly, so yeah, it should be all good. Boom, one.
That's too easy.
Too easy. You guys can do this at home.
Or you can hire us.
Yeah. You can pay me.
I said us.
Oh, us?
Yeah, we're a package.
Oh, okay.
Package deal, baby.
All right, you guys. This one looks like maybe I'll just reuse the ones they gave me, because this washer is stuck to this actual screw, and look, it's gonna be too big. All right, so these are actual hardware from Horizon, so we're gonna go ahead and use these, but I need to switch the tip. Actually, just realized.
What's wrong with this tip?
Don't need to go crazy with the tightness. Don't want to crack the carbon.
Your tires are massive, I just realized.
Yeah, they're only, I mean, they're big.
They're like
Bigger
thick.
Bigger than any tire I ever had on the Subi. These are 275s in the rear.
What were the other ones?
Well, because I was running all that stretch and everything, you know? I was only running 225s.
What about before that?
Before that, they were factory was 245s.
Those are ginormous. They're almost as big as your head.
They look pretty fat, huh?
Mm-hmm.
They're almost as big as your head. I'm trying to slip in jokes in my vlogs. Can't be dissing me in my own vlogs.
I know, I didn't think you were gonna catch on. Remember when we used to play basketball up here and I would beat you?
No, don't do this.
Guys, get a new haircut. Who else's girlfriends does that? When they get a haircut and they just smash the back of their head. Whoever goes to the car meet tomorrow is gonna be able to get a little sneak peek.
Oh yeah, for sure. So if you guys are there, come check out the new diffuser, baby.
What do you think so far?
All right, we're done. That's
Bye.
it.
To wrap.
Check out the next vlog coming soon. We're gonna put the other three pieces on. I'm done for today. Now that was pretty easy. Damn, but yeah, just adding that little piece in the
Looks
back.
real good. Makes a difference.
Even that looks dope, but wait, there's more. So you see all that, we're gonna be putting on the side pieces right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this because
she's dirty.
Yeah, I want it to sit flush.
See, and you get a little free car wash when Mark and I install your car parts.
Damn.
Woo-wee.
Alright you guys, so we ended up 3M'ing it because I put it up, I mocked it up, and there was a little bit of a gap here on the outer edge. So I guess that's why they gave us a 3M tape. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that on as so, and then let's try this again. Ooh-wee! We got it, baby. Hell yeah. So this is the side fin. We got it on. Super good. Definitely gonna help flow better with that aggressive fin I got on the side skirt. It was just looking so naked here in the rear. Having this, and it drops that rear bumper a lot. Like, that's crazy. It's like a whole like three inches right there, just dropping the car rear bumper. So gonna look super good. Gonna put on the other fin we got going on, and then hopefully that last tray piece is not too hard to put on, but we'll see how naked it would look. Yeah, cannot wait to put on this other fin here. All right, so you guys, we've got the right fin on, and we've got the left one. Let's go. Damn, that carbon fiber be slapping in the sun. Woo! Hell yeah, it already looks 10 times better with just these 3 pieces on. But we about to kill the game with this 4th piece, baby. Look at that. Ooh, kind of nervous now, but let me know what you guys think. Look at that. Already it looks so much better. That's crazy. Oh yeah, everybody, we did it. Me and my girl finally finished putting on the Psm-style rear diffuser. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you guys enjoyed that little video of the install. If you guys are gonna see me tomorrow at Sick Rap's meet, then you guys will be the first ones to see the diffuser on the car. I'm not sure if I'm gonna upload this tonight. You guys might get this, I don't know, Sunday or Monday. Today's Saturday. Tomorrow's a meet. So I'm definitely gonna be vlogging tomorrow. Yeah, I wanted to put this on just for the meet for tomorrow, and the car looks pretty decent for showing up to a pretty big meet. So hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna show you guys right now what it looked like. Woo-wee! Let's go, you guys. This is that Psm-style rear diffuser. Oh my god, you guys, took a little bit of time of installing it, but man, so worth getting this one. Looks super aggressive. Definitely goes with the trunk spoiler, and it just flows so nice. Look how aggressive this rear looks. And these are just the stock tips. I thought that they were gonna look way smaller with this diffuser on, but they actually look fine. So I mean, I guess I'll just wait till I actually have a full just legit exhaust instead of just switching out the tips. I was looking at some carbon fiber exhaust tips to throw on the car, but honestly I'm liking just the chrome tips that come on the car. But again, this is what it's gonna look like if you guys ever decide to buy one. So worth it. You are gonna need somebody to help you, just especially with the under tray. I made sure to put plenty of screws to hold it up. Definitely don't want that thing flying off, but hope you guys enjoyed. Off the jack and jack stand. So I'm so hyped on this thing. It looks so low in the rear now.
It looks
like it looks like I'm lowered. Let me know what you guys think. Did I pick the right diffuser for this car? Now we are complete with all of the aero on the car. Everything from the lip, side skirts to the rear diffuser and the trunk spoiler. Looks so good. So glad we got to knock this out. Thank you, baby. Let me get your honest opinion though. What do you think?
I love it. It completes the car. A continuation of the side skirts. It looks aggressive. It looks lower.
Well, there you have it. If you guys are looking to install it, you guys have any questions for me, feel free to comment. Feel free to hit me up on Instagram. I'll definitely return any messages. That's the one thing I do like about doing the installs myself. I could have went to a shop and had them do it for me, but obviously I want to give you guys some feedback. Please, please, please help my channel grow by subscribing, liking, even commenting down below. I really appreciate it. It helps the channel a lot. It allows my channel to pop up for like related videos if you guys are looking up anything for the M3. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.